This week I have come up with notes to discuss 5 horror or psychological genre movies. Please watch these exclusive movies and let me know your views via comment. So without further ado, let's get started. "15 years after a horrific experience of abduction and prolonged torture, Lucy embarks on a bloody quest for revenge against her oppressors along with her childhood friend Anna. They track down the family who tormented her and exact her revenge. But Lucy and Anna investigate further. They discover that they have only scratched the surface of an unspeakable vile secret organization.
No, don't do this!
This movie elicits the emotions of the audience and cleverly arouses our sympathy, which leads to heart-striking suspense. Another good thing is it keeps the suspense intact, which makes us hard to predict further. The acting and screenplay are wonderful, but the character development is kinda weak. If you are a thriller cum horror lover, then this one is for you. The movie is a strict 17+ to watch.
You are invincible.
When they run into each other on the street one day, old friends Christian and Wyatt realize that they have each other experience a recent breakup. Christian inviting Wyatt to crash with him for as long as he needs. It turns out both friends are going through some stuff and they start to rely on each other for support.
Mountain. You are 100 miles high. All that your enemies place in your way.
Wyatt is facing what is either newly manifested paranoid schizophrenia or the secret knowledge that the world is about to end as the last vestiges of humanity must battle real monsters, look-alike demons that have slowly taken the place of mankind. And he has become more and more certain that his old friend Christian might not be who and what he says he is. I would say it is a psychological horror story and deals with the real subject matter. I started this movie with low expectations, but actually it astonished me with the character development, acting and direction. The movie is definitely a 17+ to watch. New England 1630, William and Catherine try to lead a devoted Christian life with their 5 children. As the struggling family try to settle in their new isolated homestead, a disaster strikes them. Their newborn son vanishes into thin air and their crow starter to fails. Thus the family turns on one another. The witch is a chilling portrait of a family unraveling with their own sins. This movie takes us into the 17th century with amazing cinematography, which creates picturesque moments that carry with you while the music and superb sound design keep you on the edge. I felt like the movie was never trying to get me with cheap jump scares, but instead I could feel the bleakness of the characters and hope for them a positive outcome against my better judgment. The acting and dedication to the details of the period helped to deliver a story that I think wanted to highlight human frailty. Again, this movie is a strict 17+ to watch.
My Lord, I now begin to help me and don't leave my sin. For
The lonely religious Thelma lives a normal student life away from her conservative parents in Oslo University. She has no friends, and one day she has an epileptic seizure in the library, where she befriends Anja and soon falls in love. Thelma is submitted to a series of exams to find the cause of her seizures. Soon, she discovers that she has supernatural powers, which are not completely under her control, and faces its consequences. This movie is in for those looking for an easy scare or surface level thriller. Movie is a slow burn with deep and emotional layers. Both the acting and the cinematography are laudable. The meat of the movie is Thelma and her truly spectacular powers. My favorite is the ending, where I doubt to go off the rails by the filmmakers pull it off efficiently. The movie has a 17+ viewing rating. After Shidda's building is hit by a missile during the Iran-Iraq war, a superstitious neighbor suggests that the missile was cursed and might be carrying malevolent Middle Eastern spirits. She becomes convinced a supernatural force within the building is attempting to possess her daughter Dorsa, and she has no choice but to confront these forces if she is to save her daughter and herself. This movie come up with not so much mystical backdrop of the jinn. We have heard so many stories about these mysterious creatures throughout our childhood and teenagehood, so we are basically revealing our imagination about jinns while watching its scenes. Moreover, I felt that they did a great job of making the suffocating atmosphere during the Iran-Iraq war. The movie is not that scary, but the subject is appreciable. The movie comes under 17+ category. If you like to know more movies and series, please stay tuned to our channel and do follow our Instagram page for more updates.